Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 12th of May. This is our weekly recap that goes out to all my members as well as everybody that follows me on social media and my email list. Note here, it's just about 2 o'clock. I'm shooting early, leaving today. If you'd like to join us, see how we trade, see how we do things differently, join us at smartoptiontrading.com, link in the description below. You can try us out for $25 for the first 30 days. So let's talk about this week as we are coming back to the lows here in the SPY as we're talking here today. And really, we remain stuck in this monotonous range. And while this range is nasty and we're not going anywhere, the market gave lots of trades this week. And it was all about the right names and trading them. A lot of them were the big tech names, which continue to defy the market. But overall, you can see for 2 months plus now, we've been going sideways. You can say we have an inverted, sorry, not an actual head and shoulders pattern here. Here's your top, your neckline down here, roughly around 403. So currently we're kind of trading on the right shoulder here, and you got this gap at 408.70 area that starts. That was the gap up last Friday where we gapped up, we trapped everybody short, we screamed higher. Looked like we were going to break out here on Wednesday. We couldn't. We came down, we held in, and here we are just trading in this range with no power to go in either direction right now. Volume, I guess, see this week has been pretty light. We picked up after CPI on yesterday and PPI CPI on Wednesday, PPI today, and today we had consumer sentiment. Um, the numbers were mixed, still somewhat inflationary, but definitely getting better over time. All right, so when we talk, what else is going on out there? The Qs remain the strongest index out there, put a new range high in here, and the Qs, are not far from that 52-week high at 334 here. By the way, guys, lift, pop, open to acquisition, but sale not in their list. By the way, some of the stuff we get here when you're trading with us. So that coming in, you got some little bit of call action on that, but it gave the pop back. All right, sorry, back to what we're doing here because we're doing this live. So the Qs remain the stronger index to be in. The IWM here has been weaker. The banks remain very weak, can't sustain a bounce there. The regional banks also remain very weak. So this week's been about a stock picker's market. So start off with Google. Google had a nice week. They had an event this week, traded it multiple times on Monday. Very nice. We traded again on Wednesday on the day of the event, their AI event that they talked about. They got it right this time. Unlike the past ones, they showed a great story there, and you had a nice 3-day move. Some people we were trading it today, and we're all the way up into this 117.95 area and room up to 120. It is a little bit extended here. But Google had a fabulous week, gave lots of trades there along the way. Really nice move on that one. Zscaler, if you weren't paying attention on Monday, also gave some real nice trades. Zscaler came out and offered guidance pre-market and basically said they expect to handily beat their earnings forecast for this quarter, and they got it up for the year. So basically, they already issued earnings, and they got this huge move up there. Many trades on that on Monday there as well. AMD finished off its move to the 100 area and came in. We finished out on that one as well. Microsoft was tough this week. It gave head fakes down, took me for a ride on that. Then it broke out, then it came back in, but overall holding is strong. Apple continues to hold in strong, but back on the 8-day here, still holding that gap. AMD gave more trades the other day when they talked about their new AI chip at Microsoft. So we got that also. That was later debunked. What else is going on out there, guys? We traded names like Palantir after earnings, which had a good report, very nice report there. PayPal, did not do so well. That one reversed, and look at this ugly move down here. And, yesterday and today were mostly about Tesla. Tesla, you got an ugly candle developing here, but it gave a nice trade yesterday. It gave an overnight trade and get a nice trade out of the gate this morning before it came in. And the news there that Musk has hired a new CEO for Twitter, and he's transitioning back to, somebody help me out here, to CTO. That said, there is a rumor out there, and he's been on Twitter all day and has not yet said anything about it, that he is also going to be leaving Tesla potentially. Now, it's a rumor, so please, this is a rumor out there, but he's not saying no. So, we have a lot going on in this market. The biggest problem I see still is just a lack of participation. NVIDIA took the week off. A lot of the semis took the week off. Netflix broke out this week, couldn't hold, coming back down today, but a nice move there. Meta also just kind of holding here in this monotonous range. Looked like it was ready to break out this morning, but couldn't get it done. We need this market to broaden out. If this market can't broaden out, eventually it's probably going to roll over. So, hopefully next week we see some better action. I'll do charts on Sunday morning. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, by the way, on Sunday. Have a great weekend. It's your weekend. And I'll catch everybody live in the room on Monday morning.